Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After the screen turns on and ZTE logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate through the menu and power key to select options. Here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test and power off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.